because the black spaces is just for the TV, what TV users are going to see when they look at your banner. So we'll select all that, hit edit, copy visible, edit, paste as, new layer in place, and then we'll move that above everything else. Select none, and then with this, now we can literally hide every other layer because we don't need it anymore. Well, other than the black, we need the black still. So we'll hit the black still on. But now we have this entire banner by itself. We'll duplicate this, and now I want to choose two colors that look really nice. So I'll go ahead and I'll go with like a purpley pink-ish, like that. But I want it to be kind of desaturated and dark. And then for the lighter color, I want to pick that same purplish pink, but I'll just drag it up about right there, and then I'll hue shift to like that color, I guess. Or maybe I'll do like a light tealish blue, and then for the darker color, I'll do like that kind of purple. Yeah, maybe that'll look good. I don't know. Now on the second duplicated layer of our banner, I want to go ahead and go up to colors, map, gradient map, and then it should, no, opposite way around. I want to flip it. So we have to flip these colors. Now we'll go colors, map, gradient map. Now, there we go. That's what I wanted. So now we have this gradient map, which looks really great because now we can just drop the opacity down. We have this cool little looking overlay over top of it, but this is not looking good with this light blue. So I want to go ahead and turn the opacity up. Maybe we can overlay it. Overlay is going to be too much. We'll do not hard light either. Maybe screen. And then we'll drop the opacity down. Not so much. Not so much. Let me change the light blue color. So we'll undo that. We'll undo all that until we get back to there. There. So for the light blue, maybe we'll just do like this color right here. That might look kind of weird, but it's fine. Colors, map, gradient map. I do have a gradient map tutorial. If you want to check that out, I'll leave it probably on the end of this video. We'll go ahead and turn this down. And instead of doing that, we'll just hue shift. We'll hue shift. So that was colors, hue shift right there. And we'll just, maybe instead of doing that, I'll select up here. We can select magenta. So I'll select the magenta color. And then we'll just hue shift the magenta color to like a bluier color. Maybe I'll desaturate it a little bit, lighten it. Okay. And then I want to turn this to maybe screen. Gradient maps aren't always great for every project, and I don't think I'm going to use one for today because I like the harshness of the sides over here. So you know what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and turn that on, but I'm going to erase the sides because I want that deeper blue. So we'll just erase all that sides. So now we only have that gradient map in the center, which looks nice. Alright, so final stretch here. I want to go ahead and select, add a new layer, sorry. And then I drop this blue color, and well, I drop this blue color right there. And on that top layer, I want to go ahead and just create, I want to brighten it a little bit. Brighten that blue just a bit. I want to go ahead and with the softest brush we have, I want to just create some highlights in some places. Like that. And we'll put it on screen, put that layer on screen. Or maybe we'll do soft light for those. Yeah, we'll do soft light for those. Now I want to change the color to solid white, turn the brush size up, and turn the aspect ratio all the way up to 20. I want to add a new layer, and we'll just click once or twice right there. Layer, crop to content. Now I want to grab the scale tool, and then just scale that edge all the way out like that. Hold down shift to stretch it, and in this way as well. And then this one I'm going to make it thinner. Looks good. Now we'll just move this down to about there, I guess. And we will, maybe there. And we'll turn this to overlay. Looks good. Maybe I want it to be a little less long than that. So we'll grab that one. And we'll hold down shift to make it not move. There we go. Much less long. It was too long before. We'll duplicate this layer. Duplicate. Yep. And that duplication, we'll move it down here. I want to move this over on top of the A, and then I'll move this one under the I. Yeah, looks good. And for the top one, I want to duplicate it again. Move one down here to the left, to the right, sorry. There we go. And that looks good. Maybe I want to move this one like that. Yeah, that looks much better. All right, so now for the background, we'll just go ahead and I will select that box, the rectangle again. Looks good. And we'll do copy, visible, paste as new layer in place, just the same way we did before. Now we will duplicate that, select none, duplicate that layer, move it. Actually, we'll just scale it. We'll scale it up, hit scale until it is as big as the entire canvas. Looks good. And then we'll move it down beneath the other piece, and then we'll just find a nice, something like that, find a nice place, and then just hit filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and then we'll just blur that, just so there's something back there instead of the black, because I don't like when there's just black back there. We'll do like halfway blurred, or maybe half of the half. Yeah. So a half, and then another half of in the future. This was a pretty cool one. So yeah, that blur just, but there we go. That should be good right there. Maybe there we go. All right, so we can go to layer, so that doesn't lag anymore. Layer to image size. Now that layer is just as big as the canvas. All right, so that is going to be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys in the next one, but until then, bye bye.